Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing one main tool and committing to it. Pick After Effects for compositing or Blender for 3D. Spend focused hours learning keyframes, easing curves, layers, and the timeline. These are the essentials that power everything else. Once done, create a tiny project. A logo reveal or lower thirds, export at 1080p and 2430 fps, and iterate. This first project forces you to connect interface actions to visible motion, so you learn by doing. Now expand by following short, project-based tutorials that finish in one session. This keeps momentum and teaches complete workflows. Focus on 2D animation, masks, track mats, and a basic 3D workflow so you understand space and depth. Make render settings consistent and learn simple compression for web delivery. Organize your files with clear folder structures and named versions. This saves hours later. Once you can reproduce 5 different short projects, you'll see patterns that speed up future work. Finish by consolidating your best work into a tight 30 to 60 second showreel that highlights variety, motion, timing, and design choices. Upload to portfolio platforms and post short clips on social media. Ask peers for concrete feedback and iterate. When problems appear, troubleshoot by clearing cache, using lossless intermediate codecs for renders, and rendering problem layers separately. This isolates errors. If a render looks wrong, re-export the suspect layer alone. Often the issue is a codec or a corrupted cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.